I am Sodo Akoma International Academy in Ghana, West Africa, and I'm surrounded by the beautiful children, teachers, the vice president of the school board, the director of the school, and of course our tour participants are in the background taking pictures and flashing their cameras. And what you're seeing on the table are donations from many of you who are watching, from our tour participants, from myself, and an effort that I had. And we just wanted to make also a monetary presentation to Mama Chikesha. As I mentioned, we did a fundraiser in DC, and I want to big up all the DC family for supporting $1,526.50 strong. And we have so far distributed that monies to Benedicta Minla, who is a Sankofa scholarship recipient, the Trinity Home Academy, as well as the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. And on the eve of my departure from Ghana, I would prefer to be nowhere else than right here, surrounded by the beauty of the school and the people who are in here. So on behalf of all of my DC family, thank you for all the good work that you're doing. And we're trying to work on getting that bus that you guys want. Huh?
Open it.
Oh, open. Okay. Okay. Open it.
Thank you. From the bottom of our heart to all my staff and all of the children, we thank you for all of your gracious gifts.
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you so much.
And then Sister Imakus, you were saying earlier that what's the immediate need for the school?
The immediate need for the school is a school bus. If we get a school bus, then we will be able to increase our enrollment. A good, safe bus is what the school needs. As I said, you know, the immediate need, the most important need is hope. See that over there? We thank you so very much. That's money. It's a school bus. We also can use laptop computers because we do have a computer lab. And we have another need, and that is for playground equipment.
Okay.
You know, they have that, I saw that nice playground equipment when I was in America. So engineers, if you're out there, come over here and build us some playground equipment. And thank you very, very much on behalf of all of the students and the staff. We thank you so much for your generosity.
And we would also like to thank Wamani Tayimba of Africa for the Africans for
Yes.
doing this for 5 years. Please remember that you don't have to be in Ghana to contribute, but we want you to come and experience this because Ghana is changing the lives of all of us here, and we want you to be a part of that. So until we wrap again, keep it locked to allthingpeppypromotions.com and Africa for the Africans.org.
All right. Peace.